In this video, I will show you how you can use private album on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now, before we start, just make sure you set a lock screen passcode or PIN on your Samsung phone. As you can see, we have already set a lock screen PIN on our Samsung device, but if you have not set one yet, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Lock Screen and AOD. Now just tap on Screen Lock and Biometrics. Now on this page, just select the screen lock method which you prefer. And after you select the lock screen method which you prefer, then just follow the instructions on the screen to set a passcode on your Samsung phone. After you do that, just go to your home screen and open the Gallery app, and from here just tap and hold on the photo and videos which you want to hide. For example, I will select these photos and videos, and after that, just tap on More at the bottom of the screen, and from this pop-up menu, just select Move to Private Album. Now just select Move, and after you do that, you will move all the selected photos and videos to your private album. Now to view the photos and videos in your private album, just tap on Menu over here and select Private Album. Now just enter your lock screen PIN, and as you can see, these are all the photos and videos which we have hidden in our private album. Now if you want to remove a specific photo or video from your private album, just tap and hold on the photo or video which you want to remove. Now you can select multiple photos and videos at once, and after you've selected all the photos and videos which you want to remove from this private album, then just tap on Move, and after you do that, you remove the selected photos and videos from your private album. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.